How to fix Instagram app not opening an iPhone. First, what you want to do is you want to head to your phone settings. Here you want to go to your Wi-Fi, turn it off and on once again. Now that the Wi-Fi has again been connected, you want to go to your App Store. Then in the search bar, you want to look for the Instagram app. If any update is available, go ahead and do that. Make sure that you are on the latest version of Instagram. Now you might want to check if your Instagram is working fine. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to head back to settings. This time you want to go to the general option, then head to the option of iPhone storage. In the apps, you want to go to Instagram, then you would want to offload the app. Once you have done that, you again want to reinstall the Instagram app, and that is how you fix Instagram app not working. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.